Welcome once more, fam, to another little herbal tea video. So I have here today good old organic lime leaves. I have 7 of them. I've just picked them. Some of them can have some little disease, little whitey. Make sure yours don't possess that. 1 cup of boiling water coming to a boil, and I'm gonna just rub these up, so I'll rub them out. Good old Jamaican lime leaf. That's herbal tea too. Gonna drop it in there. Make sure you squish it out, and I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna put it at the lowest, and I'm gonna let it boil for about 2 minutes, and then when I return I'll show it to you. Okay, now fam, so I have in here less than a teaspoon of brown sugar. You could use honey, maple syrup, any of those would be, we're good too, but I don't have, so I have only brown sugar. So I'm gonna throw mine out. Wow, I always make a mess right here. Good old Jamaican lime leaf tea, man. Tell me what you know about that. Look at it. Jamaican lime leaf tea. Talk to me about it. Thanks for watching.